friends, welcome to JNAM Software. So, in this video, we are going to see how we can create loan for the customer. So, just have a look. So, from the customer, I will go to the all list. So, from here, just refresh. So, here you can see I have created 7 customers. So, for example, let's say Shruti Singh. So, Shruti Singh's file number is 7. So, from the search bar, we can search F-7 and just search. So, here you can see Shruti Singh. So, from the loan option, we can create loan for the customer. So, for example, here personal, gold loan, vehicle loan, product loan, business loan, property loan, policy loan. All types of loans we can create. So, here now I will take personal loan. So, for example, let's say 5,000, rate of interest 3%, monthly, interest with principal, total days, let's take 5 month, and from here we can calculate. So 5,000 is the pay, installment is 1150 for 5 months and projected interest is 750. So we can select the loan disbursement date from here. So for example, I want to create the backdated loan for let's say 1st October and installment start date I will take on the 2nd October. So from here I have done some configuration, automatic configuration, that is commission received 150, interest received 200 and insurance charges 200. So total is 550, fees and charges I have added. Now let's say save this loan from here. So I have saved loan number 11. Now from the search bar, search loan number 11. So this loan number we can, so you can see 5,000 is the principal, interest is 750 and total is 5750. So from the passbook we can see all the details. Loan given is 5,000, charges 550 and interest applied is 750. So total recoverable amount is 5,750. So you can take a printout of this and you can take a Excel sheet print also. So this 2,300 we can receive. So for example, let's say the installment amount is 1150. So just receive 1150 from here as on this date. So we have received one installment successfully. Now let's go to the installment tracker and here you can see we have received one installment successfully. So if you go up and here you can see in green color, that means we have received installment successfully. There is no any due amount. So this type we can create loans and we can manage microfinance business in JNAM Software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. And don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.